Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you can enjoy watching the new videos. Today we shall make chocolate cake using wheat flour. This can be made easily at home without much effort. Here are the ingredients. Wheat flour 1 cup. Powdered sugar 1 cup. Cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. Coffee powder 1/4 of a teaspoon. Milk powder 2 tablespoons. Butter 3 tablespoons. Oil 3 tablespoons. Baking soda half teaspoon. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Milk 1 cup. Let's quickly get into the preparation. Preheat the pan for 10 minutes and keep a trivet or stand to it and close the lid. Here we are using a tawa. You can add salt at the bottom and then place the trivet or stand underneath to prevent the vessel from getting burnt. Let's keep the cake pan ready. You can use any thick vessel with flat bottom for this. Grease it with oil completely. Dust it with wheat flour in order to avoid the cake from sticking to the vessel. Alternatively, you can use butter paper if it's available at home and grease it with oil. Now keep a strainer over the container. Add wheat flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, milk powder, baking soda and baking powder, coffee powder, sieve it well so that the lumps are eliminated. Now add oil, add butter, mix well with a whisker. Add milk little by little, mix well and make it into a batter. Now empty the batter into the cake pan. Make the batter even by tapping it lightly like this. Keep the cake pan onto the stand and close the tawa with a lid. Ensure that you are closing the outer vessel with a lid and not the inner one so that the cake will be cooked from the steam. Cook it in low flame for about 30 to 40 minutes. It would take around 30 to 45 minutes for it to get cooked. It depends upon the flame of the gas stove. Once it is cooked, switch off the stove and remove the cake pan from the trivet. Allow it to cool. Use a knife to separate the sides of the cake from the cake pan. Now empty the cake into a plate by reversing it. Remove the butter paper. Soft and delicious chocolate cake is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get back with another cake recipe in the upcoming video. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.